back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I had a bunch of Just Egg left over. I feel like I bought it to do some recipe and I didn't get around to it. Then I was traveling and like Just Egg, for not being eggs, a little high. So I was like, we can't throw this away. Like, I'm not taking that L. What can I do with it? And I forgot about this little thing, this dish that I made like a couple of years ago. I feel like at this point, like I saw it on TikTok and I was like, no, I gotta make it again because I never filmed it. But it's called a tortilla de patatas. It's from Spain and it's really, really good. If you want to see how I made a vegan tortilla de patatas, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so similarly to the Flying Dutchman video I did, like my last video, this is gonna take a bit of perseverance, delusion, and just like a can-do attitude. And like, I know you don't want to hear that like in the first minute of the video, but let me tell you, darling, it wasn't traumatic. Let me not be dramatic because I am a dramatic person by nature. It was an experience. And if you're a person that don't like to go through nothing, I would just watch the video and just vibe and leave it alone. Okay, because you got to do a little flipperoo and baby, we'll get there. Okay, so it's a tortilla de patatas. I'm a French girly myself, so I'm alleging that patatas means potatoes. So I thinly sliced up some potatoes and some onions. I love onions. I honestly would have put more in there, but then I had to like get another onion. I already had this like little half in the fridge. But I feel like you could really do whatever you want. I am not Spanish, but I feel like you could use as much potatoes or as little potatoes as you want. I will write a recipe. It is in the description box, like I said. But honestly, just vibe. I know, and I feel bad because I realize like for some people who don't like cook a lot or they need like very clear instructions, that's annoying. It's in the description box, but like it's not like firm. Okay, so the original recipe calls for salt and pepper. Now I could make a comment about Spain's history and why I think that's ridiculous, but I'm not going to. But what I will say is I will add a little bit more stuff. I add a little bit of sazon. I would have done more, but I didn't want to open up a whole new pack. Some garlic powder. You could do onion powder. I feel like a thyme moment would be cute here. Why did I not add thyme? I must have forgot, y'all. I was in between meetings. I was like, let's go. But anyway, you're gonna cook those until the potatoes are mostly, you know, cooked all the way through, 90%, I guess. And then you're gonna pour in an entire carton of of Just Egg. You see how they got new bottles? I think that's cute. Yeah, like why were we using plastic, stink? Yeah, it's cute. And I don't know the exact amount. I would guess that's like 2 cups roundabout. And you got to use a non-stick pan. So that's why I'm using a pot. Because my other ones on my non-stick, like they would have tested my patience. And I knew this one was non-stick for real. I mean, you'll see what happens. You'll see what happens, but like for the most part. And I covered mine because mine was so thick. I think that works best. Okay, so you got to flip it over. Now watch what happens. I'm telling you, my enemies will not prosper. Look at this. And you know what I said? I said, oh, the video is coming out. We are going to, and I put it right back in that joint, and that's what you will do. Okay? Just put it right back in, keep it going. Like, you will not, what Beyonce say? Break my soul, okay? Like, no. I put it right back in that pot, and we kept it pushing. But yeah, you got to put a plate on it, and you got to go boom, boom. And I think it's because it was so thick, I didn't let it cook all the way. The heat was very low, but you see how it was getting a little pigmented. I wanted to get ahead of my problems, and I don't regret anything, and I would do it again. You see it, and it still came out. Now you see it like that little snag right there. That's because I ruined the non-stick little part like a couple of months ago with my immersion blender. I don't even want to talk about it. Oh my God, because if I didn't scratch the bottom, that junk would have slid right out. But it's okay, we move, okay? Now, I wanted to include this because it's like an egg pie is kind of crazy, you know? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna show you how I ate this, not how I would eat it. I ate half of it one day and I ate the other half. And I put it with a little kale salad, and this is like my go-to kale salad, and I haven't made this in months. And I was like, I literally like was sitting there, I was grubbing. I'm like, why don't I make this? Because kale, I literally have a sweatshirt that says kale. Like, I feel like kale is an appreciated green, because you can't just eat it simsa. I mean, you can if you like. I'm not gonna tell you what you do. I don't live with you. But when you massage it down with some olive oil, and I couldn't find my red wine vinegar. It's somewhere like, where's it at? I don't know where it's at. But with a little lemon juice, salt and pepper, and garlic powder, you massage that joint till it's like, yeah, look at it. Isn't she gorge? Y'all, this was so good. I really encourage you to try it, especially if you're a Just Egg girly. And if you're not, you might have to sit this one out. And there's nothing wrong with that. It just like, it's traditionally an egg and potato and onion omelet situation that the Spaniards got. So it will not work if you don't use Just Egg. And if you don't see Just Egg by you, girl, I don't be seeing Just Egg either. It's like Waldo. It's like the Loch Ness Monster. Like, it be down at the store, it don't be down at the store. Then she had the nerve to come back with a new look. Girl, where you been? I've been looking for Just Egg for 5 months. She came back and got her hair done in a cart. Like, where have you been? We didn't ask for a new look. We asked for the product. And, you know, I love the plastic free, but like, baby girl, we gotta. So if you don't have Just Egg by you, I would just say wait, because it's probably gonna come back. Like, it'll come back. But anyway, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you're Spanish. Let me know how I did, but not too much, okay? And if you made it this far in the video, let me know what you would like me to make next. I'll be listening, y'all. I do. I'll be in the comments. I'll be like, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos, because you know I have enough videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.